Where are you going, Grant? There it goes.
Good job. Ready? Here we go.
Are you going to slide or are you going to climb down again? Whoa! Woo! That's a fast one, isn't it? Go, Grant. Woo! It's just to keep you from bonking yourself. Okay, go back up the ladder. Just go down that way and then climb back up the ladder. Just jump. Are you going to slide again? Are you going to slide again, Grant?
That way, I think.
There goes Ford. That's a good one, isn't it, Ford?